Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Zarchiver app access is denied problem. So recently many people have been facing this Zarchiver access deny, like in the app, like if you pop just like this, now you see access denied. So I'm going to show you how to actually fix that in a very easy way, very simple. So what you need to do, you need to come out from the app just like this and hold down the app, and you can find that app info right here, but you can go to your settings, right, and go to apps, then you search for Zarchiver, click on that, and you're going to see permissions. So you have to make sure all the permissions is being allowed. You need to allow all the permission, right? So permissions, okay, so I'm going to allow this now. So I'm going to allow this. I've allowed it, and right, so this is what to do. So after doing this, you can now come to storage, and you have to clear up the cache and the data as well, right? So after doing this, you can now go to Play Store or Apple Store, search for it, and try to check if there is anything you need to update. Like if the app is open for an update, you need to update that. So after doing that, you can now go to reset your phone. So after resetting your phone and go back, it's going to work perfectly, right? If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.